Dumpster Rental La Marque, Texas. When it comes to reliable dumpster rental services in La Marque, Texas, Texas Roll-Off is your trusted partner. We know how important it is to keep your projects running smoothly without the hassle of managing waste. Our team is committed to providing you with the right dumpster size for your needs, whether it's a home renovation, construction job, or a simple cleanup project. We take pride in making the process simple and stress-free so you can focus on what matters most. At Texas Roll-Off, we believe in punctual delivery and pickup services that fit your schedule. Whether you're clearing out the garage or working on a significant project, we've got the perfect dumpster to handle the job. We're here to answer your questions, guide you through the rental process, and ensure everything goes seamlessly. Don't worry about the mess, we'll handle it for you. Contact us today at 409-941-9820, and let's get started on your next project. At Texas Roll-Off, your satisfaction is our priority. We're not just a dumpster rental service, we're a company that values your time and success. Make cleanup easy, affordable, and efficient with us. Texas Roll-Off delivers reliable solutions, one dumpster at a time.